Hello everyone, Anatolii here. Today we are diving into what aspiring entrepreneurs should study to truly excel in their ventures. It's not just about having innovative ideas. It's about building a robust foundation in the key areas crucial for your success. Let's begin with understanding market trends and capitalization. Think about this. If you are dedicated the next 20 to 30 years to mastering something, you want to ensure it has a significant growth potential. For instance, if you become the best in $100 billion industry, the rewards are much greater than in $100 million industry. This isn't just about big numbers. It's about strategically positioning yourself in the markets with expansive growth opportunities, like technology or renewable energy, which are not only trending, but also promise long-term viability. Next, let's talk about sales. Regardless of your role or industry, you're always selling something. Be it a product, an idea, or even your personal brand when you're applying for a job. Mastering sales is crucial. Even if your product delivery isn't perfect, strong sales strategies can keep your business growing. It's suboptimal, yes, but possible. For example, consider a startup with innovative tech product. Even if the first iterations aren't flawless, effective sales strategies that highlight product's unique features and future potential can secure early adopters and crucial funding. Now on to leadership. It's nearly impossible to run a business alone. You need to hire and manage others as you grow. Learning how to motivate, set goals, and drive your team is invaluable. Think about a small tech firm where founder not only sets the vision but also inspires the team to innovate and execute, aligning individual goals with company goals. This capability to lead effectively is what transforms a small operation into scalable enterprise. Lastly, discipline. Sometimes just showing up is your best skill. Everyone has good days and bad days, but developing the discipline to do what you say you're gonna be doing is crucial. For instance, there have been times where I had to choose between personal time and professional obligations. Choosing to pick up a phone from prospect while on vacation or during family outing has not only saved potential deals, but also built long-lasting relationships. This kind of discipline is following through no matter the circumstances, has been a cornerstone for my success and that of Schemus. In essence, the journey to becoming a successful entrepreneur involves much more than just a good business idea. It requires a deep understanding of a market, mastery of sales, effective leadership, and unwavering discipline. These are not just skills but pillars that will support and guide you through your entrepreneurial journey. I hope this discussion inspires you to look deeper into these areas as you build or grow your business. If you have thoughts or questions, don't hesitate to share them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and join us for more discussions on navigating entrepreneurial landscape. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.